damage too. It's not far. At this rate.
Hinata, can you hear me?
Yes!
Where are you?
Well, I'm near the Cipher Core.
Okay, that means you're the nearest. Listen, we know that Pain's summoning animals are heading towards the Cipher Division. Inoichi and Shizune are at the Cipher Division now, determining the best way to defeat Pain. If the summoning animals interrupt them at this point, it could be disastrous. So I want you to subdue the animals.
Me?
Yep, no other ninja are available. Also, you're the nearest to them.
But just me?
There's no time to waste. We have to mobilize every single ninja and take every possible measure. We have to protect this village with all our strength. Do you understand? Can you do it?
I understand.
Then get going. I'm counting on you.
All right, I'll give it all I've got and do what I can do. I hope you're watching, Naruto. Are you ready?
Mission start.
I have to find the enemy first. Byakugan! Lady Tsunade, I found an enemy that looks like the Akatsuki.
Good. Take him out.
Yes, ma'am. Pain. How did they do so much? I'll protect Naruto's home. I'll never give up, just like Naruto. I'll protect Naruto's home. This is unforgivable.
You came here to be defeated, huh? What an idiot.
What a summoning jutsu.
The enemy is the Akatsuki. Stay sharp.
I can feel an incredible power coming from her. Is she an Akatsuki?
I'll let you feel the pain.
But I mustn't lose.
Tell me where the nine-tailed Jinchuriki is.
I will never tell you where Naruto is.
Leaf ninja. So pointlessly stubborn.
Lady Tsunade, I managed to defeat the jutsu user.
Good job, Hinata. But not all our enemies are wiped out yet. Rescue your isolated comrades.
Understood. I'll never give up. Just like Naruto. Pain. How did they do so much?
I've been waiting for you.
I'll back you up. I'll never give up. Just like Naruto.
Unbelievable. Much tougher than I expected.
Sorry to trouble you.
No, I'm glad to be of help. This is unforgivable. I'll protect Naruto's home. For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose. Pain. How did they do so much?
Watch out! A new enemy is approaching you!
I'm on it. Byakugan! I defeated her! One of the enemies has the ability to revive the dead?
That explains one of Pain's... Hinata, find out more about him!
Yes, I'll try. This is unforgivable! Take that! I'll never give up. Just like Naruto.
Here! Help me!
I'll back you up. Let's wipe them out.
Unbelievable! Much tougher than I expected.
For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose.
I need your help. I can't handle them by myself.
You won't have to. they do so much? I'll protect Naruto's home! You've got to hurry! The situation is getting worse! Pain! How do they do so much? What? I'll never give up. Just like Naruto. For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose. You were the one who revived the other pains.
Those others. Yakuga. I see. You are from the Hyuga clan.
But having you know about it changes nothing.
Your fate is already decided.
I will never give up!
Never give up, huh? What a foolish decision. Those who don't know their future have no right talking about it.
That's why God directs people through his absolute power.
The one who decides the future is not you! This is unforgivable!
Tell us where the nine-tailed Jinchuriki is.
Unbelievable! Much tougher than I expected.
I've got to hurry! The situation is getting worse! For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose!
Playtime is over!
You can't get away! Byakugan! Where did Pain go? Is that...
The gate is open.
Save my friends!
Yes! I've got to hurry! I'll never give up. Just like Naruto. For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose. I've got to hurry. The situation is getting worse. For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose. I've got to hurry. The situation is getting worse. Pain. How did they do so much? I've got to hurry. The situation is getting worse. I'll protect Naruto's home. For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose. I'll never give up, just like Naruto.
The Byakugan girl.
Another pain.
I'll finish you. Here and now.
Be careful! He sucks jutsu out of you!
Right.
I'll absorb it all!
He sucks jutsu. Then I have a chance.
I know what you can do from our last battle. You can't win against me.
Hinata, report your situation.
We're fighting pain right now. They say that our enemy sucks our jutsu.
The most terrible enemy for ninja. But your taijutsu may work.
Right. I'll give it a try.
I'm counting on you, Hinata.
For the sake of the Leaf Village, I mustn't lose. I'll never give up, just like Naruto.
Curse you!
I did it. I did it.
Mission complete!
You did it, Hinata!
Yes, I managed it somehow. But there's still other pains remaining.
Let us handle the rest. I need you to rescue the people of the village.
Yes, ma'am. I'll never give up. Naruto.